Hi guys, and welcome to this short session where we'll be having a look at CMC Markets client sentiment feature in more detail. The client sentiment feature provides an insight into the trading sentiment of other CMC Markets clients. It is accessible via the product overview, which we will check soon. And it also shows what percentage of the clients are long and short on a particular product. The first thing I'm going to do is to log into my platform, and which I've already done, and then go to my dashboard and select product library right here. Now when I select the product library, I have to, let's say, take one product. I write US30. When I write US30 over here, just try to select the product US30. This takes you to the screen where other product functions are located. You can click on client sentiment and you can see a pie chart over here which says all clients. Now I can switch easily between all clients to top clients and also show you a combined view. But I'll come back to that in a second. I should also point it out that if you want more information about the client sentiment, if you want to have more information, you can find this here on the right side on the information center. Right. I'll anyways take you through this piece by piece. So on the left side, you have all clients, which you can see here. You have got the number of clients that are trading this particular product. So effectively, let's say in the all clients section, what are these percentages which I've mentioned? What does it mean? So effectively, if you have got 10 clients trading in this, 5 are long and 5 are short, that would be 50% buy and 50% sell. Okay. So quite simply, the number of clients which are there, the number of unique clients which are available, that means your clients, which you can see. And the percentages which you see, they show you the percentage difference between the buyers and the sellers. Okay. You will also notice that there is a downside arrow which says 6% right here. Now, this particular arrow is really important because what that's telling you is that it has actually dropped by 6%. This percentage which you see, 50% bought, this was 56% as of 5 p.m. last evening UAE time. And the reason why I'm pointing that out is that this figure right here is actually within the last 60 seconds. So client sentiment at CMC Markets updates every minute, and during this session you may actually see this particular tick up or down depending on if there is a lot of client activity at this time. So that is the number of clients. You can see that 50% currently are buyers and 50% are sellers, and this figure over here is down by 6%. Now as you can see here, the inner circle, which is located right here, there's one inner circle and then there is one outer circle. The inner circle is basically the time from 5 p.m. last evening. So when you see 56%, this percentage is from 5 p.m. last evening. And on the outer circle, what you see is the current percentage within the last minute. As I said, it keeps getting updated. Now, if you come on the right hand side, you have got a buy position value. Now, what does it mean? Buy position value is effectively like the total exposure, or basically where the big money is. So there might be a number of unique clients, but let's say you had 10 positions running and one guy is short and was selling $1 million worth positions. All other 9 guys were buyers, but they were buying worth, 10 grands. Now, there would be a massive skew towards the sellers because there is a lot more money in selling. We are talking about $1 million worth position versus the buying positions. So it doesn't matter how many buyers are on the other side, how many number of buyers are on the other side. When you're looking at the position value, you're looking at where the money is, where the big exposure is. So in this particular instance, if you see by exposure, around 40% of them are on the buying side, but 60% of them are on the selling side. So you see, you have got quite an interesting viewpoint as to the difference, because you have here 50% buy and 50% sell next to the all clients. And then if you see on the positions value, you have got 40% buy and 60% sell, right? If you see below, there are other products as well, which are called popular products over here, which are being mentioned. So these are the products that are related to the traders who are trading this, are also trading these products as well. So you can click on any of those, let's say for example NASDAQ, and you will see the same calculations which we talked about for NASDAQ, right? There is gold, there is euro. Coming back to US 30, what we were discussing about. So now you can see that this particular feature can be quite useful, and you can use it the way you want. Now, I talked about all clients here. So all clients, when I select all clients, it means all clients on CMC markets on the next generation platform. If I flip this a bit forward to top clients, this takes the exact same calculation, but this particular time it only applies to the clients with the minimum of 3 months of trade history who have made a profit without obviously taking into account the spreads and commissions. So you have got your top clients, and then you have got your all clients. And now you can see in this particular instance that when I switch to all clients, I see almost the same percentage. When I switch to top clients, there is a slight change in the percentage, right? It looks kind of similar. But when I flip over to the next side, you will see the combined view. Okay. Now, when you see the combined view, this kind of gives you a kind of important information, because when flipped to the combined view, it shows you the overlays, the all and the top clients. And if you notice over here, there is a slight change in the color. So you have got the all clients in a darker shade of blue, okay? And then the top clients, which are the guys I said have made a profit over the last 3 months minus spread and commissions, it is more of slightly a lighter shade of blue, and it is mentioned right over here. Now you guys can obviously go ahead and utilize, as I said, any way you want it. You can load it up very easily from your product library. You can select the product, then click on sentiment, and this will come right over here. But the client sentiment feature really it does give you a nice overview as to what the rest of the CMC market clients are doing. And it tells you by the number of clients, so it gives you an idea of those unique clients that are trading and what their positions are. Are they more biased to selling or to buying? And then on the right side, you have got the position value, as we were discussing right here, which I have said is like the exposure where the big money is. And again, you have got this nice combined view where you can see the difference between all clients in CMC markets and just those that they have made a profit over the last 3 months minus spreads and commission. So it does give you a nice insight as to what our clients are thinking. So, well, anyways, guys, I hope you found this short video interesting. And if you do have any feedback on the client sentiment feature, please remember you can you contact your relationship managers and ask them more about the training. Leave us the feedbacks as well. And I hope you have enjoyed the session. Keep an eye on YouTube for many more videos.